Okay. Like this, say, Eid Mubarak, Mother. Like that, okay? Alright, so let's proceed with, what's your name, ate? Madam Sally. Okay, how old are you? Oh, 39. Oh, you look pretty. Char. Okay. Okay, okay, ma'am. Eid Mubarak, Madam. Tawin, make it long. Okay? Yes, yeah, like that. Okay. Yeah, I know. Okay, I know, girls, mga kabayan, I know you can do it. I know. All of you are very productive and proud of this. Right? Right, okay. Eid Mubarak, Madam. The last one. Like that, okay? Ready? Get set, go! I count. Ready? Get set, go! Eid Mubarak. You're excited. Eid Mubarak, Mother. Like that, okay? Ready? Get set, go! Eid Mubarak. 16. Okay, wow, you're amazing. Okay, madam, stand up here. Okay. Okay, Mang Inday, 16 is the highest now. Come here, madam. Cinderella, are you ready? Okay. Eid Mubarak, madam. The last part. Like that, okay? Ready? Ready? Okay, be ready. Okay, ready? Eid Mubarak, madam. Okay. Ready? Get set.
Mafiruwarra.
What's that? It's like a chicken. It's like a chicken, right? Okay, stand up more. Okay. Okay. Ready? No, you. Later for the kids. Eid Mubarak. Not like that, okay? Alright. Aywa, very good. Aywa, Michelle. Cinderella. Aywa. Okay. Ready. Get set. Go. Hinday. Ano ba naman yan? Ay, naku. How many? 16. Okay. Ready. Get set. Go. Eid Mubarak. Go. 13. Oh, thank you so much, Miss Cinderella. Okay, next, come here. Alright, what's your name?
Darna.
Oh, Darna. Okay. Mabel. Leto. Char. Alright. Mabel. Eid Mubarak. And then, the last part. Like that. Okay. Ready? Get set, go!
Eid Mubarak.
Okay, come here. Okay, next in Dayan. Okay, dito na. Let's meet.
Mimi.
Alright, what's your name, ate? Jane, okay. Regine, okay.
Everybody, of course, will want. You don't even need to try because you guys.
Alright, 30.
Sali.
Yes. 23. Alright. Ready?
La. Bismillah.
Get set. Go.
Yeah, but where is you play?
Get set, go! Okay, thank you so much. You did a great job. Okay, next.
Ang daming Pinoy.
Next. What's your name, ate? Chai.
Sana hirang ko si Pastor.
Alright, okay. The boys that come here, I have a lot of toys to be given away to those kids who will be playing with me. Alright. Okay. Kids, come here. Abdullah, Mama, here. Maria, Sarah, Lugna, come here.
Nachambang mo pangalan eh.
Sarah, Maria, Lugna, Nura, Lulu, come here. Alright.
Pangalan ganun eh.
Salma, Muhammad, come here. Hena, papi muskil, hena. Very good, okay.
Ay, akala ko hindi ko nawan.
Alright, so kids, are you ready? Oh, no energy.
Tulog.
Okay, English, Arabic. Arabic? English. Oh, very good. Alright. Okay, if I will say, are you ready? All you have to do is to say, yes, we are ready, like that. Alright. So kids, are you ready? Alright. So before we will start our celebrations tonight, I will tell you first, what is the very significant magic word. So every time I will tell you the magic words, all you have to do is to shout, Eid Mubarak. So that is our special magic words tonight. So, let's do a trial. What is our magic word?
Eid Mubarak.
Malu. Eid Mubarak. Shout Eid Mubarak. Okay, so once again, what is our magic word?
Eid Mubarak.
Eid Mubarak. Alright, so since you don't have energy, all you have to do is to hands up. Okay, Maria. Ay, come here. Nag-JS ka pa. Come here. Join here. Okay. Alright. Okay, so once again, all kids, if you want to join with me, no problem. I have a lot of hadiyah to be given away. Okay. Alright, so hands up. So all you have to do is to follow me. If I will say jump, you need to jump. If I will say wave your hands, wave your hands. So kids, are you ready? I can hear you. Are you ready? Okay, so everyone hands up and follow me.
Follow. I coming.
Everybody jump, go. Jump, 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 jump. Everyone jump, go. Jump, jump.
Malis ka dyan ate.
Wave your hands. Go, 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 go. Wave your hands. Go, go. Hi, my energy. Okay na. Alright, okay. Alright,
Noy na.
alright. Okay. So once again, girls, come here. Go back. I used to be given away to those kids who will be playing with me. So, do you want to receive a toys?
Hindi ka pa kawan.
Yes, of course. All of you are eager and of course excited to play with me. So, let's proceed first with our first game, which is the musical chairs. So everyone, get your own chair and form a big circle. Okay?
Sana all hindi itong baba.
All of you
Nag-aubos ng pagkain.
Okay, form a big circle.
Mukha mo na lang
Big circle like that. Okay. Very good.
Walang gutom.
Magkasama kayo?
Ay,
Alright, kids, first
pero
here.
kapatid yung amo na.
Ay, nga pala sabi niya.
Oy, mga ate, halay na kayo maglaro tayo.
Kinalaga ko,
Come
hindi
here,
naman
come here.
Nakakahiya
All
naman,
of
may
you,
video
all
lang
of
kami.
you.
Hindi na ako naghahatid, hindi na ako nagsusundo.
Oo, ako din.
Girls, you want to join?
Malaki na eh, nahihiya na may taga-hatid sundo. Nuni! Ay, sorry. Nuni, yan!
Mahiruhina, Nura. Ana, siyantahina.
Hello, once again to those kids who wants to play with me, please come here. So let's play the musical chair. Okay, to the winner for this game will be receiving any special toys coming from Burger King. Alright. So once again to those kids who want to join, come here. Ay, Maria, Sarah, Lutna, Nora, Salma, Lulu, Juju, come here. Alright. One more. Ay, girls, you want to join? Girls, you want to join? Come here, get your own chair. You want to join? Okay. I will play a music, and if the music is on, all you have to do is to clap your hands while turning around the chair. And And of course, if the music will stop, all we have to do is to sit on the available chair, okay? Everyone.
Ayan. Bigay lang to eh. Color niya is black. Buksan na natin. Ta-da-da. Di-da-di. Di-da-di-da. Da-di-da. Di-da. Di-da-di-da-da-da. Di-da. Green. Si-da-di. Yun siya. Toy. Ganda. Ay, dalawa pala yung bracelet niya. Green at saka black. Uy, ang ganda. Dalawa yung bracelet niya, green at saka black. Nakakaputi kasi pag green. Nakakaputi din naman pag black. Natumba! Ang galing mag-video, no? Ito siya. Da-di-da. Si-da-di-da. Di-da-di-da. Ang ganda. Si-da-di-da. Si-da-da. Na-di-na-na-na. Panlalaki. Okay na din siya pang babae. I-open natin. Robot. Need pa ata siya i-charge. Oo. Need siya i-charge. Green. Slide. Sana helwa yagami. Sana helwa. Ang lalaki kasi yung green. Pwede naman kasi din pang babae. Unisex siya. Sana helwa. Thank you, Ramadan. Ang ganda. May pakash pa si Chahi ni Amo. Ayan o. Ganda din siya sa green. Try natin yung black. Swipe. Swipe lang siya. Swipe. Swipe. Ay, parang hindi fit si black. Mas maluwang yung green. Mas maluwang yung green. Ang lalaki yung ano ng parehas lang sila. Ayan naman siya sa black. Sana helwa yagami. Ang ganda din. Sana helwa yagami. Need pa siya i-charge. Ito yung charger niya. Charge natin. Sana helwa yagami. Sana helwa. Sana helwa. Sana helwa Gagami. Charge. Dito ba yung charging? Saan ako nagbibideo?